Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by organizing what you already have: labeled examples, feature definitions, and a target metric. Load a representative sample and immediately split into train 70%, validation 15%, and test 15%. This prevents leakage. Once done, clean missing values and normalize numeric features. Encode categories consistently. You should also downsample or upsample to address class imbalance or plan class weights. Make sure to log dataset versions and seeds so experiments remain reproducible and comparable. You now pick a baseline and train fast to learn system behavior, for example, logistic regression or a small neural net. Once training starts, monitor validation loss and key metrics every epoch and adjust learning rate schedules if progress stalls. Use batch sizes that fit memory, 32 to 256, and apply regularization like dropout or L2 to prevent overfitting. When you change architecture or preprocessing, retrain from the same seed so differences reflect true changes, not random variation. You finish by evaluating the final model on the held-out test set and interpreting metrics like precision, recall, and rockhawk. Once satisfied, package the model together with the preprocessing pipeline and run end-to-end integration tests and latency benchmarks. If performance degrades in production, first check for data leakage, label noise, or feature drift, then perform targeted error analysis to find high-impact fixes. Make sure to version the deployed model and monitoring rules so you can roll back or iterate safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.